those 19 dot balls, and at the same time they have given 18 singles. Another 3 overs has gone in that. 18 runs. Very valuable, very disciplined bowling. This is what a champion team can do it.
और इसीलिए आप ज्यादा सेलिब्रेशंस केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के बेंच पर देख नहीं सकते हैं. ठीक है, स्माइल है पर बड़े रन बने नहीं है. संजू सलीम स्ट्राइक पे, और शायद ये तेलुगु वॉरियर्स चाहती भी है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्ट्राइक इन्हें मिले, क्योंकि 7 बॉल्स फेस करी हैं, बनाए केवल 2 रन.
इनका स्ट्रैटेजी भी यही होगा तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के कि सलीम को स्ट्राइक पे रखे. 7 गेंदों में 2 रन बनाए ने सलीम जी.
सुन लिया आपको ये कहते हुए, ये लीजिए हिसाब बराबर.
ये हमेशा कमेंटेटर्स का तरस होता है जिसने सलीम ने बिल्कुल आउट ऑफ द बाउंड्री, एंड वी सी दी हैप्पी फेसेस फ्रॉम द केरला स्ट्राइकर्स डगआउट.
स्लॉट में डाली बॉल. बाउंड्री राइडर हो भी तो क्या करेगा, केवल देखेगा बॉल को. करारा शॉट. सलीम इसके साथ पहुंच गए अब 8 पे, और अब हिसाब बराबर. स्ट्राइक रेट 100 का.
सब बराबर. देन it's important at this stage, we need couple more sixes of them if Kerala strikers has to put up a good fighting score.
सुनील, दिलचस्प है कि बाउंड्रीज केवल 2, छक्के लगाए हैं 4, तो मैक्सिमम में ज्यादा डील करती हुई इस समय केरला स्ट्राइकर्स. कितना फटीग है राजीव को. ये इन बची हुई 9 गेंदों में डिसाइड करेगा कितने रन बनते हैं केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के. जब इनिंग्स की शुरुआत की थी इस तरह के शॉट लगा रहे थे तो बाउंड्री के पार जा रहे थे. अब मुझे लगता है थोड़ी फटीग फील कर रहे हैं.
It's absolutely Rajiv. That's the one which we saw, a couple of boundaries for Rajiv, and that's the one which went out of the boundary line. That's another one there. This one went very sharp. And here we go. That's another boundary. Rajiv, that's the one. He's looking for a big one. Looking for the second. Yes, no. And only 1 run, you know. It's very important for Rajiv to get more boundaries or sixes. If not boundaries, nevertheless, we can get sixes.
मुझे तो ये लग रहा है कि सलीम को भी अब कहना पड़ेगा बहुत हुआ. 9 रन 9 बॉल्स में अब इस स्ट्राइक रेट को करिए डबल. इस ओवर के अंदर 11 रन आए तो थोड़ा सा मोमेंटम जरूर, पर क्योंकि केवल 7 बॉल बची है इनिंग्स में, अब तो मैक्सिमम्स की दरकार है.
बिल्कुल. It would be nice to for Kerala strikers to finish with a boundary or a 6 in this last 1 ball.
सुन लिया, लेकिन बाउंड्री राइडर है. वेल टेकन. ब्यूटीफुल कैच बाय द कैप्टन. अखिल, you are a superstar.
So sharp catch. Akhil, the captain. Right place, right time, right moment.
What a cracking shot this was. Again in the slot, taken on the half volley. This one was traveling. That's a sharp catch by the captain. Whoa. That hand is going to sting for a while, but Salim's gone for 9. It's 73 for 3.
Shafiq, the new man for Kerala strikers. 1 over left. It's just only the 6 balls. And Ashwin for Telugu Warriors. Ashwin Babu. The first over, an important over.
सुनील, कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि आप एक T10 का गेम खेल रहे हो और लास्ट ओवर आप एक ऐसे बॉलर को देते हो जिसने पूरी इनिंग्स में पहले बॉलिंग नहीं करी हो.
That could be the plan as well.
It could also be the bowler's rusty and he goes for runs.
That challenge has to be accepted.
We'll find out.
That's a contest between bat and ball again, Raman.
Well, to make the contest even, the fact is you've got a new batsman at the crease. He's the man on strike.
That's the contest between bat and ball. New bat, new ball. New batsman, new bowler. The result, dot ball.
And this is where Shafiq needs to be a little smarter. Ashwin Babu is going to try and bowl around that region outside off. But I think he's got to try and take a single, get Rajiv on strike. Oh, he's got other plans.
Finally, he did listen to you and gave strike to Rajiv.
Sunil, the way he was coming down the track, he definitely had other intentions. Had to check his shot, but now Rajiv, he's got to pull something out of the reserve battery now. He's struggling in terms of fatigue.
What I guess was Rajiv will step out and look to hit straight. That's my guess. Most of the time my guesses are wrong.
We're just about to find out. Last 4 deliveries left. Oh, he's gone for it. Has he got it enough? Yes, he's got enough on it. In the gap as well. That's 4.
Finally the claps are there. Kerala dugout. That's because of the boundary from Rajiv.
Look at that. It's never easy to hit a shot like that because you're coming down the track. The body weight is coming forward. Yet to be able to hit it in front of square. I think what he was helped by was the fact that he had width to free his arms. That's beauty on duty.
Absolutely. We need more of these. Lambi hits from Rajiv. I'm sure he'll get another boundary there. Yes. Rajiv on a song. The 2 balls to go. Can he get 2 boundaries or 2 sixes?
Well, if he is on song, it's a song that the Telugu Warriors don't like because it's definitely ruining their tune. Fine leg fielder was up. He knew exactly what he was doing. Really, an ordinary ball because you're spraying it on the pads. You've got fine leg up, no protection at deep square. You're asking for trouble.
Raman, this is a good score, I'm saying. 82 can be here, 90 or 92 from here.
Oh, that's hit towards the heavens, but it's not got distance on it. It's going to be taken. Rajiv, who was just 1 shot away from a half century, falls for 46. And Telugu Warriors get their man.
Again, Sachin Joshi, you can't avoid him. He is again in the center stage with that catch. There's a handshake from his teammates.
Look at the change of the grip on the ball. It was a slower delivery. He held it seam up, but as he came into ball, changed the grip on the ball. Did the bowler, Ashwin Babu. Well, look at those faces. They tell a story, don't they? Disappointment writ large. That's because the top scorer has gone back to the heart. Rajiv gone for 46.
One ball left in this over. Kerala strikers. Can they get boundary or a 6 to finish the innings? That's a good one. Can he get a boundary there?
Oh, they want another run here. It's going to be a run out. It doesn't matter. They were looking for an extra run there. Managed to get 2 in the end. Well, I said it before. It seemed as if 85 or thereabouts is what they'll get. They managed 84, which means a target of 85 now for the Telugu Warriors.
That's a good score. Where it was started and where it there finished, the Kerala strikers. Then again the change of pace. You know, Ashwin has used his 1 over very cleverly. Wanted a 3rd run and he got run out on the 3rd run. But nevertheless, I think this score 84 is a fighting score for Kerala Strikers. If they want to win, they need to get Telugu Warriors, the opening batsman, back in that very quickly.
Absolutely spot on that, Sunil. Well, Akhil, I think still be happy that he's restricted the Kerala Strikers to 84 in the 10 overs. Look at that batting card, dominated by two players. Rajiv making 46, Arun scoring 18. And their stand really provided some impetus.